who can contribute to an HSA?
That's right. So there are three specific requirements. You'll hear a lot of threes in this conversation because there are just a lot of triple rules here around HSAs, but there are three rules for eligibility for making an HSA contribution. The first one is the most important one. You need to be enrolled in a high deductible healthcare plan. That's a specific definition that the IRS has that can get pretty complicated, but basically you have to be enrolled in a plan that has a certain level of deductible. You pay a certain amount out of pocket before the insurance actually kicks in. And then there's also an out-of-pocket maximum on the insurance, but those numbers are less important than just knowing it's an HSA eligible plan. Usually when you look at a menu of health insurance options, there will be a number of them on there that say, this is the HSA eligible plan. Yeah. So you don't need to worry too much about the specific numbers. You just need to know it's a specific type of healthcare plan. So that's the first requirement there.
Okay.
The second requirement is you can't be enrolled in another type of health insurance or have another type of coverage that's not high deductible. So you have to be enrolled in a high deductible coverage. You have to not be enrolled in any kind of other coverage. And that can include things like Medicare. It can include just other types of insurance that anyone might be covered by, can't be covered by that and also contribute to an HSA. And then finally, the third requirement, anyone who is listed as a dependent on someone else's tax return cannot contribute to their own HSA. So, dependent children of an adult who has them on their tax return can't contribute to their own HSA, which is in contrast to like an IRA where some people who are dependents can contribute, but HSA can't contribute to that.
Okay. So the threes rule for who can contribute.